Flaw. Flaw!
Alright, Mike, what's the plan here? What are we doing today?
I'm playing blacksmith. I'm going to make some things for sale that most of our viewers will probably not be interested in. I'm going to make bonsai root hooks. As I said, most of you will probably not be interested in them themselves. Maybe you'll be interested in watching us make them. And in this corner over here, I have my untested, here for testing, aluminum smelting idea, which is already off to a shaky start. But I've got time to figure it out as I wait for the steel to heat up, because I'm cheaping out and I'm not going to use propane and I'm not going to be using coal today, because who knows who's gonna bark down my throat for that one. We're just gonna forge with wood fire. We're gonna smelt with wood fire. But I don't even know if this is gonna work. I've never used this before. So far, not so good.
Is that supposed to act as a funnel?
Yeah. But it has to stay standing on its own, relatively level. Unfortunately, I didn't bring any tiles to level up the surface. Okay, we'll leave it at that and see what the hell happens.
So we're just gonna build the fire a little bigger around here. And we got two things going on here actually, but we're gonna build the fire a little bigger and it's gonna start to melt some of that aluminum. Mike, what's going on the other side here?
Blacksmithing! Yay! Okay, where's my hammer? Start here. Plenty hot enough to forge.
I'm forging.
That's bonsai tool in the making. These are tongs in the modifying. They were once horse nail clippers, but I don't need 2 horse nail clippers. I need a pair of tongs. They're coming along quite well, but they're gonna take a little more work. That will come this evening. I just basically made a forge out of logs, and it will work great. Want to fuck around and find out? There's a 6-pound hammer as a normal hammer. What do you use? 24 ounces? That's why I need tongs.
Looks like it.
Yes.
I'm gonna go with them.
Already losing the heat, but this is going to be a ring hook for where the finger rests. There will be a twist and then a large bend, and I may or may not put a fork on it instead of just a single tine. We'll see. Same thing with this piece here. It's rebar. I've already got a bunch of work done to it. As much work as it can be done in as short a period of time as possible.
Hot potato.
Hot AF. And that's not a very good anvil. This is my out in the woods anvil. And I am pushing it a bit far, yeah?
From the frying pan into the fire.
The fire is just as hot as any coal fire I've ever used. Whew. Scheiße, these things are hot. Oh no! Cat-ass trophy. I'm pretty sure that's my index finger. There. Get my stick. Sure. This is the stick now.
It's like a lick and dip. It just kind of melts as you use it.
Ah, nice, huh? Almost there, though. Woo! From horse clippers to tongs in, oh my God, I was on this for probably a couple hours. Oh, I wonder if they're usable. I guess I'll just run down to the creek and cool it off and see if I can start using it. Hit him some oil here right away. I think about the smallest thing should work. My first set of tongs was terrible. I mean terrible. 1 centimeter bar is not thick enough bar to try to make tongs out of. I am telling you what. Cool for the touch. Let's try this out, shall we? Much success? I dig it. I dig it. All right, get these pieces right in the fire now. I'll have to use my bloody hands to work on it. Piece of slaggy. It's basically a spill from a previous burn. It's in there, and it's breaking down. Let's see, molten metal. Yep.
Me and the viewers at home are gonna take your word for it because I'm not putting the fucking camera close to that big fire.
It's hot.
It's
Like,
really
I
hot.
feel like I'm in the sauna. Rustic sauna. What is today? Down in the comments if you want to see Kaylee on a skidoo. Yeah, yeah. Winter's coming. It's a long season around these parts. Also subscribe, like, and share for more blacksmithing, Alberta Mountain Pirates content. It is all destroyed. The Arctic had 600 fucking header.
Oh, it went that fast?
Yeah, it's hollow.
Oh yeah, I guess. It's water cooled.
Look, can you see it coming through? I don't know if you can. It's down in there. Look at the molten puddle. Coming up from there you go. Look at that. Right into it. Whatever doesn't make it into the mold here, we'll just go off into the ash of the fire pit, and I'll reclimate it exactly as I would any other regular piece of aluminum.
You can see the metal
And it'll
flowing.
likely look just like this.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. Here we are.
Which we rolled past earlier today on the trail. The markings in the bottom are from like ash on pine needles, probably a lot of it. And then it's just a lump of aluminum.
I'm like, fuck, at least 6 feet from it, and it's burning me, like, seriously. You can see some spilt out here. I've been falling asleep in my chair. It's pretty late, but a bunch spilt out, and we're gonna recover that later on.
Long ingot piece that I can recover later. There's aluminum all over here. See how she goes.
That's it for tonight, folks. We'll catch you in the next one.
And this is what happened to the first pour. Nice bar.